OnePlus 8 anyone? Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and in this video we're gonna unbox this OnePlus 8 and see what it has to offer. By the way, if this is your first time here, you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking the subscribe button and tapping that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. So, fun fact, this is my first rodeo with a OnePlus device. Now, I've heard a lot of good things as well as a few bad ones, but I'm trying to go into this one totally unbiased so that I can reserve my judgment for my full review. And speaking of full review, that means this is just the unboxing and first impressions video. So if you're down for that, let's get inside. All right, so shout out to my unboxing knife, the Gear Red from Mantis Knife. If you want one for yourself, I'm gonna leave some links down in the description. This thing is badass. All right. So, where do we go? Where do we go? All right. Oh, I didn't realize you had a pull tab right here. Woo! Oh, man. I'm not the only one to notice that OnePlus boxes are always elongated, way much taller than other boxes. All right, so go inside from the bottom. Oh yeah, all right. That slow vacuum pull. Whoop. Smells like OnePlus. Let me close this knife. All right, first thing you see on top, that's the presentation. Yeah, I'm bringing back the presentation, boy. You got this little tab on top. There you go. It's OnePlus sitting on top. First of all, let's see what's inside this little thing. All right, so there you go. You got your pokey pin device and a bunch of stickers. Never settle. OnePlus 8, and some of this, some safety information and some quick starter guide side, and then let's take this thing out and see what's up. Oh yeah, let me show you real quick. If you notice right there, it says warp charge 30T. Woo-wee! Would you look at that? That right there. But before we take that out, that's the presentation right there. Got the obligatory OnePlus cable, and down in there, got that warp charge 30T. Let me see, is there anything else in the box? Nope. All right. So as you can see, you probably didn't notice. You probably missed you. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Hold up, let me get this sticker off. Look at that thing. Ooh-wee. Isn't that a beauty? I'm really digging it. Yeah, man, she is a beauty. Would you look at that? This thing looks really, really good. So you got a camera array on the back, in the center, OnePlus branding, OnePlus written on the back. That's the display. The sides, you got button. You got the obligatory slider and the power button. And then on this side, as you can see, right there, yep, right there, you got the volume rocker. At the bottom, you got that speaker, SIM card tray, and the Type-C. Alright, so I'm gonna fire this up and I'm gonna set it up. I'll be right back. I'm gonna skip this part because I know you don't want to see me setting this up because you probably already know how to set it up. So, alright, so I finally got this thing set up, and I have to say some of the myths and what people have been saying, it is kind of true because this thing is really fluid like that. I'm liking that 90 hertz so far. And there's a couple more things that I want to talk about. Some of it I'm gonna reserve for my full review, but so far I'm gonna show you real quick this in a comparison, what it's like compared to my, let's say my P40 Pro. This is what it looks like compared to my P40 Pro. This display looks really good. That's it right here. Let's see. It is taller than the P40 Pro, and the P40 Pro probably just a little bit wider. Yeah. All right. Let me see. Compared to my V60, just as a quick comparison of what, you know, the size comparison. As you can see, all right. As you can see, my V60 is probably, yeah, right there. It makes this thing look like a dwarf so far. Yeah. But yeah. Let me see. I mean, compared to the Pixel, it is bigger, way bigger. There you go. Compared to the Pixel. And yeah. My new fave, which is the LG Velvet. If you want to see what that looked like, that's a comparison right here. And yeah, the LG Velvet is much taller. The screen is a little bit bigger too. 6.8 versus 6.55 inches. Yeah, so like I said, I've been playing around with this thing for a little while, and I like the display. This thing is nice and clean. It's really fluid. I like the animations. Even the animations are really fluid with that 90 hertz panel. And as you can see, the nice matte finish. If you hear the thunder outside, it's been raining cats and dogs, so I can't go out and take no photos. So I'm probably gonna have to I'm definitely gonna show you some photos from this one, but it's all gonna be photos from the inside. So that's what's up. Yeah, and the speaker is really loud on this one watching YouTube videos, but it's no match for my LG V60 and also for my my LG Velvet. These two right here will crush anything that come in their path. This is a monster when it comes to audio from the speakers. This is also a monster. Yeah. But this is definitely good. It's definitely loud. It can hold it home. I mean, the margin is not that wide, but I just had to mention it. Yeah, so I mean, so far I'm really digging this thing. Really liking so far the fluidity of this OnePlus. Yeah, so I mean, like I said, OnePlus so far you got my attention right now. I'm really liking what I see so far, and that's where we're gonna wrap it up, man. I'm definitely gonna be taking this thing through its paces, and we're gonna see what's up with OnePlus. You know, like I said, this is my first rodeo, so I don't know. Most of my thoughts, I'm just gonna reserve it until my full review, because right now, I'm still trying to experience what everybody has been talking about when it comes to OnePlus. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks for giving this video a thumbs up. And thanks for checking out my channel. And if you're a subscriber, I appreciate you. And I'll talk to you in my next video.